Proof of Afterlife by Memory. Proof 4 explores the relationship between the human mind, memory, and afterlife. Analog and digital recordings represent distinct methods of capturing and reproducing information. Analog preserves sound as continuous physical imprints into vinyl records as shown. Digital translates sound into numerical code. Analog evokes sensory richness and depth. Digital does this too, but ensures fidelity enduring over time. So the question becomes, is the human mind analog or digital? We can find the answer by an examination of how the mind creates reality. 1. Light comes in through the lens of the eye. 2. Light strikes the retina where it is converted into electrical impulses. 3. Electrical impulses are sent through the optic nerve to the mind. 4. They arrive in the LGN where they are pre-processed and sent to the visual cortex. 5. Inside the visual cortex, the incoming electrical impulses are used to build a fully three-dimensional model of the outside world using a process called modeling. 6. The geometric three-dimensional model is sent to the virtual reality headset, where it is projected as your surrounding environment. The visual cortex constructs a three-dimensional model of the external world. Reality is not directly experienced, but is actively assembled inside the brain. Understanding how memory absorbs reality. Our brain continuously captures and stores our present reality in memory as follows. First, we experience the environment. This is a three-dimensional model of our surroundings created in the visual cortex. Our awareness is located at the center as shown. Second, the current environment is absorbed into memory. This process happens in real time, with each moment being archived as a new frame in our mental repository. Third, as time progresses, these frames accumulate, with the present moment always remaining vivid and central to our awareness. The mind's ability to absorb the vast three-dimensional space around us into memory highlights the immense capacity of memory itself. Conclusion: Afterlife, awareness and memory. As we navigate through life, we continuously absorb each moment into memory. This process occurs automatically in the background. Here we show human memory. The left front end is the present. The right back end goes back to childhood. Memory works as follows. 1. A present moment unfolds in the outside world. 2. The present moment's model is created in the visual cortex. 3. The moment model gets gathered up. 4. It is sent into memory where it is added to the stack. 5. The stack moves back, one cycle to the right, making room for the next moment. 6. The next moment unfolds, and the process begins again. Thus, memory retains all moments. When we arrive at the last moment of life, we stand in the presence of a vast universe of time and space. Awareness expands from a point into this vast realm of time and space. Human consciousness changes dimension from point to space and time. It becomes boundless, interconnected, and timeless.
That's awesome! Where can I find out more about this?
You can go to proofofafterlife.com. It's all there for free. If you'd like a textbook, you can find it on Amazon.